Samsung has a challenging task if it hopes to maintain the Galaxy S24 Ultra's position as the greatest smartphone available, particularly in light of the very excellent performances of the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro series. At one of its Galaxy Unpacked presentations, Samsung is anticipated to reveal the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the first quarter of 2024. Normally, Samsung holds its event in February, with the products going up for pre-order on the day of the event and becoming available for purchase approximately 2 weeks later. However, according to recent reports, the South Korean tech community is pushing for an earlier showcase due to the Z series foldables' lackluster sales as well as the release of the Pixel 8 and iPhone 15. How early is this? Well, if Revegans, a Twitter tech tipster, is to be believed, Samsung will likely make an appearance on stage in early January. This is also supported by Cat Avatar Dunning S24, another trustworthy leaker, who said that Samsung's flagship handset is expected to reach retail shelves on January 18, 2024. Assuming this information is accurate, we can probably estimate when Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra pre-order release date will occur. The main one is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a powerful new octa-core CPU that has leaked onto Geekbench with some really encouraging numbers. While these numbers are impressive to see, keep in mind that they are derived from a pre-production prototype and may not accurately reflect the final performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If they are accurate, however, we may be looking at not only Samsung's most powerful device to date, but also the closest theoretical rival to Apple's incredible A17 Pro chipset. We now have a basic idea of what to anticipate in terms of RAM and storage for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to Revegans, the Twitter tipster. Not only do Revegans' tweet postings suggest that the S24 Ultra will come with 8GB and 12GB RAM variants, but they also hint to a plethora of storage possibilities. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will top out with a whopping 2TB of internal storage based on what we currently know, will initially resemble its predecessor despite some obvious design and display improvements. A tweet from S24 claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will ditch its curved display in favor of a flat screen, all while maintaining the same general appearance. Some have speculated that the leak measurements show chunkier bezels, however this may also be explained by the new titanium chassis residual curvature. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.